Hi everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I will be unboxing the new Yealink CM50 Dante beamforming ceiling microphone. The Yealink CM50 is a beamforming microphone designed to be installed in or on ceilings. This is a 127 element beamforming microphone array and a Dante microphone, making this a true network connected AV solution. This is 2 feet by 2 feet, allowing it to replace another 2 feet by 2 feet ceiling tile. Not only can it directly replace a 2 feet by 2 feet ceiling tile, but it can also be suspended with the cables provided. Okay, so I've already cut into our big box here. So it's going to come with a cardboard 2x2 cutout, quick start guide, a lot of different stuff here in the package. Suspension tiles, cables, and then of course the CM50 is to be used with the Yealink AP08 digital signal processor, which then allows it to be used with many of the Yealink video conferencing solutions. It's designed to scale cleanly while offering centralized control through Yealink's device management platform. So it's very sleek and lightweight and designed to blend discreetly into ceiling installations. The finish is a neutral white, ideal for modern conference rooms. And then just underneath this grill is the beamforming microphone array, capable of intelligent voice tracking across up to 20 feet. So again, with support for Dante protocol, it ensures easy integration with other Dante compatible devices. The CM50 is suitable for medium to large conference rooms, extra large meeting rooms, and divisible meeting rooms. And for the ports on the back, we're only going to have two. It's going to be the RJ45 Ethernet port, and then the 3-pin Phoenix connector for analog output. Some other items that are going to be included in the package are going to be different types of mounting hardware, and then some suspension cables to allow to be able to suspend it from the ceiling. The advanced beamforming technology on the CM50 supports customized pickup zones, allowing control over audio capture and reducing unwanted background noise. So if you have any other questions about the Yealink CM50 or any other products, please check out our website at www.ipphone-warehouse.com or shoot us a call at 888-201-9056. Thanks again for watching.